All right. So today's video, we're just gonna go over how I analyze charts in the morning. It's kind of probably gonna be like really, really short video, but just felt like making a video, so why wouldn't I? Um, let's see. We can take it from anything, right? I mean, we can even take it from Bitcoin, right? All right, let's set a timer. See how fast. Bear with me. All right, we're gonna set a stopwatch, and then we're gonna just analyze the market, I guess. So, we'll just do NASDAQ. Pretty straightforward. NASDAQ. So, anyways, three, two, one. Overall, I look at market structure to see what we're in. So, usually size up from 4 hour. So, I go from accumulation, markup, distribution, markdown. Those can happen at any times. Just look at the 1 hour, see what we're doing. Let's use just this data, right? This over on this side. Go up right here. I'd call this one, let's say, with a huge markup. Do it green. These right here. Breaks of structure, continuation. But then right here, we had a market structure break. So potential reversals. We'll call this distribution right here. Then we'll call this a markdown. Or we'll call this one a markdown. Then markup. Let's some distribution again. Markup, distribution again, price, market structure break, markdown, and you could even call this accumulation, perhaps. We'll mark this one, say blue. Then we have markup right here, markup, and then kind of ranged right here. And just distributed, didn't really go up, didn't really go down. Then we had a massive markdown today. I believe the main cause of it all was new tariffs released, I believe, on China, if I'm not mistaken. I believe that's what Forex Factory told me. They made a huge markdown. So these are the phases I look at it in. I pretty much have it memorized in my head already, so I don't really draw any of this. But it's pretty straightforward, all right? Price went up, price ranged, price broke, it didn't break all the way down, went back up, price broke again and again and again and again. Then we had a market structure break right here. And then we had a trend reversal, right? So, yeah, had a little trend reversal. Then the market just dumped. So, not excited for Monday, but we'll see what happens. See what opportunities. See how it all plays out. But that is how I analyze what phase market's in. How do I know what we're going to look for today? And that's where I draw my targets from. Then from that 1 hour, I'll see if there's gaps. Then I go to a 15-minute. See if there's gaps. Target, higher or lower. And then I execute on the 5-minute. Then during that trade, I'll look at the 15 and 1 minute and 5-minute. Make sure what we're doing, what's going on, what kind of noise we're dealing with, if any. So yeah, very short video, what, like 5 minutes? So yeah, we'll call this a weekend workshop, market analysis. How I draw out, how I look at the market in phases. You can look at it from any time frame you would like. really just is easier doing it on a higher time frame. Perhaps you just see the bigger moves. But even if you're doing a 15-minute, it's the exact same thing. We had a markup, price distributed in a range, marked down, build back up, broke through, distributed. Then we had a mark down. Massive one. Jeez. So yeah, again, we didn't trade it. We went over the recap. Well, we didn't get to trade this, whatever. I mean, this right here, pretty much accumulation, markup, distribution, markdown. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Any complicated than that? Yeah. So, pretty straightforward.